Yo homies, welcome back to Gurus Learn English, straight out of Los Santos. It's time for some high-stakes action with Learn English with GTA. CJ's Epic Heist in Los Santos. Tonight we're joining CJ on a wild heist mission to learn 6 English phrases. Perfect for English learners and GTA fans. Let's get the adrenaline pumping. Drop a let's short in the comments if you're ready for this heist. Alright, CJ's crew is ready. Let's hit the spot. CJ's planning with his crew, saying, we're hitting the spot tonight, meaning they're ready for action. If CJ were breaking it down for his homies, he'd say, we're targeting the place tonight. In proper English, just like saying, we're going to rob the place tonight. Hitting the spot is a Santos slang for targeting a location. Say it with that heist vibe. We're hitting the spot tonight. The crew is in position. Time to stay sharp. Stay on the lookout. That's CJ telling his crew to watch out. If CJ were talking to his homies, he'd say, keep watching for danger. In text for English, it's like, be alert for any threats. Lookout means keeping an eye out. Say it with that cautious vibe. Stay on the lookout, buddy. All career, let's go up. I'm packing heat. That's CJ saying he's ready for action. If CJ were telling his crew, he'd put it like, I'm carrying a weapon. In formal English, that's, I have a gun with me. Packing heat is slang for being armed. Say it with that tough vibe. I'm packing heat. Yo homies, we're halfway through a series of Epic Heist. 2 phrases down, 3 to go. If you're loving this Los Santos action, share this video with a friend who joined the crew. Drop a Guru straight forever in the comments to rep the squad. And let's finish this heist. Time's ticking, let's move quick. We gotta move quick. CJ is rushing his crew. If CJ were yelling at his homies, he'd say, we need to move fast. In proper English, that's like saying, we have to hurry. Gotta is slang for got to. Say it with that urgent vibe. We gotta move quick. We gotta move quick. Cash in hand, time to grab and go. Grab the loot and roll. CJ is yelling to his crew. If CJ were telling his homies, he'd say, take the money and leave. In formal English, that's take their stolen goods and go. Loot is slang for stolen stuff. Say it with that getaway vibe. Grab the loot and roll. We're out, but the hit's on us. The cops are on our tail. CJ warned his crew. If CJ were shouting to his homies, he'd say, the cops are chasing us. In text for English, just like, the police are following us. On our tail means right behind us. Say it with that panic vibe. The cops are on our tail. That's a wrap, homies. You've learned 6 heist phrases with CJ in Los Santos. From hitting the spot to dodging the cops. Now you're ready to roll San Andreas style. If you love this heist, tell us in the comments what's your favorite heist phrase. Want to join the Guru Street crew? Smash the subscribe button and hit the bell for more adventures. Check out CJ's Daily Life in parts 1, 2, and 3. CJ goes shopping and our shorts. Links below. Thanks for riding with us. Catch you in the next one.